Baby fun, la 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 la.
Sock in his mouth, the dog zoomed away through the hall, past the couch. Not today. The toddler laughed, I'm coming for you. Over a cushion, the giggles grew. Under the table, the dog zipped fast. Round the chair like a playful blast. The sock dangled low like a prize to win. Toddler crawled quicker with a cheeky grin. A leap, a grab, the chase took